Hi, I'm Jackie, and I'm a Misfit. Welcome back to the Jungle Book Fire Pit, and this week we're going to take you more in depth and meet a Misfit. So come along as we introduce you to Mathilde.
Before joining Misfits Unified, I was living in France and I was like a sound engineer. And I met Misfits Unified and I became an artist. And now I am doing little Ganesha in our Indian temple here in Pueblo, Colorado in Peru. Before Misfits Unified, I was doing a little bit of art. I was not considering myself as an artist. Now I see myself as an artist. But also before Misfits Unified, I was doing things by myself. And with Misfits Unified, I found a whole bunch of people that love doing art with who we can create amazing things that I wouldn't be capable to do by myself.
We're on the other side of the wall, but there's this energy coming through.
Yes, absolutely. We are connected even though there's cement between us.
Oh my god, filming that.
Absolutely. That's gold.
I love making things pretty, but when I started really to make art part of my life full time with Misfits Unified, I reached another level of creativity. And very fast with Misfits Unified, I got given some pretty big projects. So I just decided to trust myself, and this allows me to create amazing things and just liberate myself from the fear of not being able to succeed and just explore new techniques and new things. I just finished the Ganesha I was doing. All the little details and everything. It looks very pretty. And this is the secret garden, and this is the Father Altar. It's a project that I did 4 years ago, dedicated to my dad that passed away in 2012. I made myself very proud with this project, but I didn't take care of it, and recently I decided to restore it, and I just put it in last week. And this is me, and this is my dad. There's a little baby. It reconnected me with my dad and with my story, with my creativity. It allowed me to feel the love I have inside for him. And restoring this project and taking care of this place, it feels also good to give love to something. And art is about connecting and loving what you're doing, for me.
Check out the top left video to see our instructional video series. Check out our Umbala documentary by clicking the video to the bottom left. And if you don't want to miss any of our videos, click the little bell next to the subscribe button and then hit all.